Hi. Wow, I am so excited to be here today. Wow, greetings. I don't know where you're going to be watching this from. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Yes, my name is Judith Benz, a foreign exchange trader. I trade and analyze the forex market. Also, I am a multi-business entrepreneur. So I'm into various businesses. I'm a forex trader, I'm a businesswoman. So let me tell you something. If you want to learn and acquire the skill set of, I've got good news for you. We are going to be having a class. We're starting a class very soon. I'll be dropping classes on my YouTube channel, and also we're going to be having virtual classes. For those of you that wants a one-on-one mentorship and training, send me a DM. And for those of you who knows you cannot afford it, no problem. I got you covered. Just click on my link, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, click the notification button, like and share, so that whenever I drop any class, you're going to be the first person to get notified and you watch it. Let's go! The forex market. The forex market, short for foreign exchange, is a global marketplace for buying and selling currencies. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and involves a decentralized network of banks, financial institutions, corporations, governments, and individual traders. That is to say, it is a market that is opened 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week, and also involves a decentralized network of banks, financial institutions, corporation, governments, and so on. Now, in this market, like I said earlier, all you need to do is to trade currencies. You're selling and buying currencies. What is decentralization? Decentralization is a system that is not controlled or owned by anyone. You trade the forex market. You make your profit. You want to take your money. All you need to do is activate one or two things on your broker. You withdraw your money. It goes into your wallet. You trade and sell. You have your money converted to fiat, your currency. Nobody will tell you, where did you make this money from? Why are you withdrawing? What is going on? That is not how the forex market operates. We have companies that trade the foreign exchange market. The banks trade this market. The government, and we have individual traders like you and me. You and me, yeah. Okay? So the forex market is not as difficult as people assumes it is. Now, let us go to the next slide. Now, buying and selling of currency pairs. In the foreign exchange market, the primary purpose of this is to facilitate the exchange of one currency for another, determining exchange rate based on supply and demand dynamics. When you were in school, in secondary school, or those of you that studied economics, you understand what demand and supply is. When there is high demand on something, of course, the price of that thing goes up. The same thing goes with forex. Or when there is a low demand, it actually comes down automatically, because people will want to sell out so that their money don't get tied down, or so that they will buy something else that will make them more profit. This is how the foreign exchange market is. This is all about the forex market. Yeah? So, all you need to do is sell and buy currencies based on the rate of that day. Then, let us talk about the types of currency pairs. Now, I need you to write, if you're watching or if you have watched to this point. I need you to get your pen and jotter or a notebook or whatever you have, or your iPad or whatever your phone. Take note. Types of currencies. We have different types of currencies. We have the major currency pairs like the Euro USD, USD JPY, Euro NZD, GBP, that's Great British Pounds USD. These are commonly traded, and the participants use various analysis methods, including technical fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. The forex market is known for its high liquidity, providing ample opportunities for traders worldwide. Now, when you hear about major currency pairs, these are currencies that are paired with the US dollar. The US dollar, you can call it we have the king of the jungle. The lion is the king of the jungle. Now, the US dollar is the king of the foreign exchange market. So, major currency pairs are the major world currencies which each and every one of us, a lot of people out there, make use of. We have the euro, you have the NZ, which is the New Zealand dollar, we have the Australian dollar, we have the Great British Pounds, we have the Japanese yen, which is JPY, and we also have the Australian dollar. Now, when you pair these currencies with the USD, that makes them major currency pairs. We have the minor currency pairs. The minor currency pairs are is when you pair these currencies like the the euro, you pair GBP, you pair JPY outside the US dollar. For instance, you pair euro against the Japanese yen. It becomes a minor currency pair. Then you pair Great British Pounds against the New Zealand dollar. It becomes a minor currency pair. Then we have the exotic pairs. Those ones are called exotic because they are truly exotic. Now, currencies like the Swiss franc, we have Mexican peso. Those currencies, then you pair them against the US dollar or you pair them against the minor currencies. They become exotic. That is what makes them exotic. But the majorly traded pairs in the forex market are the major currency pairs, which are Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD, Great British Pounds USD, and so on. Okay, so I would like you to go back and do your own research on these currency pairs. Study them. If you have questions, you can you can drop it as a comment. When you're done studying them, our next class, I will now tell you about technical analysis, the mindset of a trader. Thank you very much for watching. I want you to please like, share, click on the notification button and subscribe. Clicking on the notification button would actually help you whenever I drop another class, because we're going to be doing them class by class. When I drop another class, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I love you.